How to recover your lost Brawl account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can recover your lost account in the Brawl. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in the Google or any browser that you are using, and from here you have to search for the lost Brawl support. Now from here you have to click on this first link of the I lost my account, and from here you have to go in this troubleshooting. Now from here you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the technical issues, and here in it you have to click on this contact form. So once you are in, you just have to go in the contact us, and from here you have to log in into your ID. So once you log in into your ID, they will ask for your email address, your password and your username ID. So you just have to give all of your information about your Brawl account, and after providing the information you have to add in the description that what issue you are facing, and after that you just have to submit your report. So once you submit your report, you have to wait for the lost Brawl stars for to contact you back, and this is the only way that you can recover your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.